Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you what's the quickest and easiest way to germinate dragon fruit seeds. I can germinate seeds within 3 to 4 days using this method. First, you're going to need some dragon fruit seeds. I cut the dragon fruit into slices. I separate the seeds by scraping it with a knife. Dragon fruit is a tropical fruit that has become increasingly popular in recent years. Though people primarily enjoy it for its unique look and taste, evidence suggests it may provide health benefits as well. Fruit comes in 4 varieties. 3 are pink-skinned, 1 with white flesh, 1 with red flesh, and the 3rd with purple flesh. The 4th variety has yellow skin with white flesh. Here are my seeds. What I'm gonna do is, just a pinch of it and I'm gonna sprinkle it onto top of the soil mix. I do a very liberal amount, just so then the germination rates can be successful and higher, because you just don't know if all the seeds are gonna be germinated. The plant the fruit comes from is actually a type of cactus of the genus Hylocereus, which includes about 20 different species. The plant is native to southern Mexico and Central America. Today, it is grown all over the world. This video brought you by the Vijja Designs. Vijja Designs are premium logo designers specializing in logo and business card creations. They have lots of quality designs. You can check them out at the link provided in the description. In addition, the first 5 customers will receive free business card designs as well. Three days later, seed germination started. Three-week-old seedling look like this. If you guys enjoy watching my videos, please like and subscribe.